Every year on 26th November, India celebrates Constitution Day to remember the adoption of the country's constitution. The Indian Constitution was ratified by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and it became operative on 26 January 1950. On 19 November 2015, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment announced that the Government of India had declared 26 November as Constitution Day. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the founding father of the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution has 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules and has made 105 amendments to add all these. Part 15 from Article 324 to Article 329 of the Constitution of India consists of articles on elections which also includes your right to vote. Make your vote count by using your right and take part in the democracy.